She put my name with yellow hearts. Her favorite color like the stars. I didn't listen very hard.
I'ma blow up.